Good evening and welcome to the Daily News Roundup with Daily Mirror Online. You're with me, Bhakti Abe Surya. Let's take a look at our headlines. A parliamentary reporter from Sunday Times tests positive for COVID-19. New Director General of Health Services assumes duties. Dr. Asela Gunawardena claims that the COVID-19 virus can be successfully contained in Sri Lanka. The recent COVID-19 victims had suffered from chronic diseases. The Jayawardenepura University to conduct an examination over the rapid spread of COVID-19. The total COVID-19 cases surpassed 9,000 with over 5,000 active cases. 2 persons at the Elephant House head office test positive for COVID-19. Isolation of villages in Kalutara district except one village lifted. Speaker Mahinda Yapa Abeyewardena signs the 20th Amendment to the Constitution. The police urge the public not to travel out of the Western Province. A parliamentary reporter from our sister paper, The Sunday Times, has tested positive for COVID-19 while at home, and the management of Vijay Newspapers Limited has taken necessary steps to close and sterilize the office complex in keeping with health guidelines as a precautionary measure. The staffer volunteered himself to be RT-PCR tested. Most of the Sunday Times editorial staff have been working from home since last month, while those who work from the office on limited days strictly followed health guidelines such as wearing face masks, maintaining the required physical distance, in addition to washing hands and using sanitizer regularly. Our printing press and distribution center are located in Hokandara, away from our editorial offices in Colombo, connected only via satellite technology. We assure our readers that the press operation and the distribution network are carried out in accordance with international safety standards followed by world-renowned newspapers. Dr. Asela Gunawardena assumed duties as the new Director General of Health Services this morning following a simple ceremony held at the office of the Director of Health Services of the Ministry of Health. Minister of Health Pavitra Wanyarachi was also present at the occasion. Newly appointed Director General of Health Services, Dr. Asela Gunawardena announced that the COVID-19 virus can be successfully contained in Sri Lanka soon with the support of health and security officials. He made these remarks after he assumed duties at the Ministry of Health today.
COVID-19 අසංගත තත්ත්වය ලෝකෙ පුරාම තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම අපේ රටේත් රෝගීන් වාර්තා වෙනවා. අපි සෞඛ්‍ය අංශ මගින් හා ත්‍රිවිධ හමුදාවෙන් තමත් මේක පාලනය කිරීමට හැකියාව තියෙනවා.
Chief Epidemiologist Dr. Sudat Samaravira informed that the recent COVID-19 victims, including the 3 persons who died on Tuesday, were suffering from chronic diseases. He told the media that the prevailing COVID-19 situation in the country has posed a higher danger to senior citizens with chronic diseases. He also reiterated that with the emergence of the COVID-19 cluster at Paliagoda Fish Market, people need not fear eating fish. He pointed out that it is important to always wash the hands with soap for at least 20 seconds after shopping, handling food packages, or before preparing or consuming food. Army Commander Shavindra Silva reported that the Jayawardenepura University is conducting an examination over the rapid spread of COVID-19 from 3 clusters. He stated that the examination is being carried out from the COVID-19 samples taken from Kandakadu, Minuangoda and Paliagoda clusters. He added that they will receive the reports of the examination soon. The total confirmed COVID-19 cases in Sri Lanka surpassed the 9,000 mark with 335 more positive cases reported yesterday. Out of the total cases, a total of 6,115 cases were reported from the Paliagoda-Minuangoda cluster. Moreover, the total COVID-19 cases of the Paliagoda-Minuangoda cluster exceeded the 5,000 mark on Tuesday. Police have requested the public not to travel out of the Western Province before the curfew, which is to be enforced from midnight today. Police spokesman DIG Ajit Rohan informed that there were reports that some people who had organized trips and pilgrimages were planning to leave the Western Province following the reports that a curfew was being imposed. He stated that only a limited number of people are allowed to enter or leave the borders of the Western Province. Two persons at the Elephant House head office, Colombo, have tested positive for COVID-19. Meanwhile, 5 persons at Expo Lanka, Kollupitiya, have also tested positive for COVID-19. Speaker Mahinda Yapa Abeyewardena placed his signature on the 20th Amendment to the Constitution, making it effective from today.
ඔව් අද කිව්වා කතානායකතුමා කිව්වා 20 වෙනි සංශෝධනයට අද අත්සන් කරා කියලා එතුමාගේ ආසනයේ දු බවට කිව්වා. තුන්වෙනිදා පාර්ලිමේන්තුව තියෙනවා. එදාට මාධ්‍යවේදීන් එන්නෙත් නැහැ. පාර්ලිමේන්තු මන්ත්‍රීවරු වැඩි එන්නෙත් නැහැ. කතා කරන අය පමණක් එන්නේ. මොකද මේ තියෙන තත්ත්වය නිසා.
Army Commander Shavendra Silva informed that the isolation of COVID-19 risk villagers in the Kalutara district has been lifted except Badugama Nava colony in Matugama. For further details on the stories, visit our website www.dailymirror.lk. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Bhakti Abe Surya and this is the Daily News Roundup.